Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's SLP update for the new month of May. So here we are, and we are actually meeting the technical target. We are so close to this technical target that I gave you in the previous videos, okay? But there's something really important in this update today that I want to talk about, okay? And pay attention to every single details because you don't want to miss this one. Now, if history repeats, I want to go back here in September last year when I was making an update about SLP. People were requesting me to make an update about it. So what I want to say is that if I do go back in time, it's just like what SLP did here. SLP is doing similarly down here, okay? What happened up here. So we can learn from history and we can use history as our best teacher in the future. So let's go back to time, and the time is here when we were nearly the 0.05 good old days. And from here, guys, what I'm going to say is that SLP came down to this area, right? So that was your all-time low back in like 29 September, or in the month of September, simple put. And then you start to go up, came down, make a double bottom, make a nice push to the upside. And then you went down, and unfortunately, you lost the all-time low. And I talked about this one, that this was also a bear flag. And this was one of those videos that made my SLP update very, very popular, and people started to believe in trading. So from here, what you did is you broke to the downside, went for the retest, clear rejection, and this is known as a kiss of death, made a kiss of death, and then you went to the downside. So remember this: if this similar event happens, game over. I repeat, if this similar event happens, game over for SLP. Simple. I cannot stretch this much enough. Now anyway, that's a very scary story, I know, that I just told you, but it is like logical explanation, okay? I'm not saying it's a fact, I'm not saying it's gonna happen 100%, but it should happen in a bad way if something like that happens, okay? The next thing is, you are coming down here. The question is, are you gonna make a double bottom, this being your bottom and this being your second bottom right over there? From here you start to push to the upside, and that's what you want to see. But unfortunately, do watch the Bitcoin update today. There's a lot of problem with Bitcoin that actually might drag not only SLP, but as a matter of fact, every other single coin. Even talk about the good projects coin like Cardano, like Ripple, like Matic, like even Ethereum. Every single coin is going to follow down. I don't know why people are saying, oh, SLP is dumping. Everything is dumping in the market. Yes, there are some few coins that are actually pumping, but it's very risky to buy them. It could burn you, you know, play with fire, you're going to burn. Now, anyways, what I want to say is, if SLP does the same thing that it did, the way I showed you, all you do is you close below the 87 and you go up, make a kiss of death, then you're really good to go down to the 50s and to the 40 region area. I am super careful. Now, don't take these videos as financial advice. I don't give anything. Educational videos only. I invest with my own management and everything. Do the same for yourself as well. And if you want to learn about trading the way I'm doing this, if you really like my work, if you love the updates that I've been giving you, and I've been so accurate with SLPs, do check out my trading course. Why don't you just take a trading course and learn how to trade? It's an 18 hours of contents, but I'm going to tell you, there's a lot of things to study, from the market psychology, to trading the charts, to the trading psychology itself, to case studies, to money management, a lot of things, okay? And that's it for the update. But before that, I want to tell you, it is $49, but if you want to get it for $20 off, join the Discord, message me on the Discord, and we do have a channel for SLP as well, and you're gonna get it for $20 off by paying with crypto. Just message me on the Discord, and I'm gonna see you with the next one. I love you.